Suppose your father lives in Dhaka. He wants to know about the result of your annual examination. Now, write a letter to your father informing him of the result of your annual examination and requesting him to send you some money so that you can buy new books and school uniform. মনে করো, তোমার পিতা ঢাকায় থাকেন। তিনি তোমার বার্ষিক পরীক্ষার ফলাফল জানতে চান। এখন তাকে তোমার বার্ষিক পরীক্ষার ফলাফল জানিয়ে এবং তুমি যাতে নতুন বই এবং বিদ্যালয়ের পোশাক ক্রয় করতে পার সেজন্য কিছু টাকা পাঠানোর অনুরোধ জানিয়ে একটি পত্র লেখো। আনস 12 আর ইকবাল রোড, খুলনা 9060। 2রা জানুয়ারি 2025। My dear father, I hope you're well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You will be pleased to know that I've got GPA 5 in the annual examination and been promoted to class 6. That's why I need some important books for the new class. I also need to buy school uniform. To buy the books and school uniform, I need about 3000 taka. So, if you send me the money by money order as early as possible, it will be much helpful for me. Please pray to Allah so that I can build up a successful career. We all are well here. Affectionately yours, Yasin. Tara Chinho draw an envelope and write full addresses of the writer and the receiver.